Tenses, past simple. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Fill in the blank with the correct form. She, walked, to school yesterday. Answer. She walked to school yesterday. Choose the correct verb form. They, played, soccer last weekend. Answer. They played soccer last weekend. Complete the sentence. He, ate, breakfast at 7 a.m. yesterday. Answer. He ate breakfast at 7 a.m. yesterday. Pick the correct form. We, studied English last night. Answer. We studied English last night. Correct the sentence. She, did her homework after dinner last night. Answer. She did her homework after dinner last night. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.